Life is ever changing. One moment, everything is sorted. The next, you need a little extra and fast. That's where HDFC Bank Top Up on Express Personal Loan steps in. It's easy to apply, completely online, and the funds reach you in just 10 seconds. To get started, visit www.hdfc.bank.in. Under Discover Products, head to Loans, choose Personal Loan Top-Up and click Apply Now. Now, add your registered mobile number, date of birth and verify with the OTP. You'll see your existing loan details and the new top-up offer. Use the slider to select your loan amount and tenure. View your rate of interest and agree to the terms and conditions. And net disbursement details will appear instantly. Agree to the terms and conditions. Next, review your details and accept all the terms and conditions. Then log in through net banking for verification. Congratulations! Your Express Personal Loan Top-Up will be credited to your HDFC Bank account instantly. HDFC Bank Top-Up on Express Personal Loans. Made for speed and convenience. Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.